Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Look, today, y'all, I'm gonna take y'all from crusty to fluffy. Period, y'all. This is how I restore my lashes. If you want to know how to, stay tuned. So starting off, you guys, these are the pair of lashes that we're gonna be working with today. They just went through a lot. Like, it's a long story, but I'm gonna fix them and show you guys how to. So you want to use a gentle soap. Today I'm using the Johnson & Johnson baby soap, and you guys want to make sure you stir it up real good. Look, y'all, I was having a hard time, but you're just gonna stir it up really good, you guys. Get the bubbles going, get the suds going. So then I just dry my lashes right in the water. I let my lashes soak for max like 5 minutes. This part is super important because it's going to help you get all the crusties and dusties off, and it's going to help the glue come off easier. Now you're going to carefully scrub your lashes. It looks like I'm being aggressive, but I promise I'm not. You want to be careful because if you scrub too hard, they can start to come off with the lash strip. So carefully scrub them. Now, this part can be very tedious, basically just depending off of what type of glue you use. You want to take your time with this. You don't want to put any lashes off. You don't want to accidentally pull the lash band up because that can damage your lashes. You want to take your time. As y'all can see, I was having kind of a hard time here, but just take your time. Be very careful. Boom, look at that. You already almost back in business, but there's a few more things that I do because the lashes are clean, but the shape is not that pretty C-curl shape. So I re-wet my lashes, you guys. I just dip them in water and pretty much just re-wet them. Alright, so look, this part is super important. Please, you guys, make sure you're using human hair eyelashes, mink eyelashes, whatever you want to call them, and not synthetic. You don't want to melt and ruin your eyelashes. All I'm doing here is I put my blow dryer on medium to low heat. I'm taking my index finger and my thumb finger, and I'm using an inward motion with my spoolie and curling inward and blow drying my eyelashes. It's like basically using a heat method to help them curl back up into that C shape. What? Look at that. Back in business. The fluff is there. The curl is there. We are back. Now all I do is repeat the process on my next lash. Like I said, guys, I'm using the same method. I'm holding the lash with my index and my thumb, using the same curling rotation method. Blow dryer is on medium to low heat, and I'm using a blow dryer to help me curl the lashes. Come on, look at them lashes. They look like a new pair of lashes straight out the pack. Like, they are fully restored, you guys. The fluff is there. The curl is there. It's giving. The body is there. Like, huh? Nobody can tell you nothing after this. You are back. You're back in business. So that sums up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe, comment, like, join the team, join the beat babies. We got more content coming, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.